It's your boy, car boy. We'll see if I keep that. We did some exciting stuff in the last couple of weeks, and I got some super fun videos coming. Maybe another Doug DeMuro ripoff. We'll see how it goes. And I finally have kind of a mounting place for my phone in my car now, so we don't have to do lap view anymore. Here we go. But today I wanted to do a video about something recent I did. I've been having like a wild time with this, and it's really cool. And honestly, it's not even that loud with the windows up for me. I don't know about the people behind me, but I'm gonna get some exterior footage of it tonight, so later on I'll jump over to that. But today we're just gonna get some interior sounds and show you guys exactly what it does. But if you come outside, I can show you what I did. So as you can see, I did delete my muffler, and it looks quite nice, I have to say. The people I went to did a really good job, and you can take a look under the car, and you can see there's no muffler there anymore. So you can come back with me into the car. Didn't see you there. So, this car pops like absolute crazy. It backfires, it does everything I wanted it to. So I'm gonna start it up and you guys can take a listen. We'll do exterior later. It's got a wonderful growl to it too. So I'll just take us around the block a bit, and hopefully you guys can actually hear. Because otherwise this is gonna be kind of pointless and embarrassing. Hopefully the camera actually stays. So one thing I did notice is that it doesn't really pop much when the engine is cold. Yeah, it's literally not doing it at all right now. We just gotta take it around the block a little bit and let it warm up. Do a video to show how to get all those crazy M-car pops out of a 325, which is super cool. I didn't even know you could do that, but it actually has a lot to do with the intake setup at the front. I have a funny story about the muffler actually, because I had it done, well, I had to take it off last year in the summer, but I went to some place and did it really cheap, and it was in like 5 minutes, and the weld was really crap, and they put it like up against the bumper, and so the drone was horrendous and I didn't like it at all, and the engine didn't sound that great either. And then this time around I went to a professional place to have it redone, NoyzBoyz. They were really great. They're very knowledgeable on what they do there, and granted it is like a performance exhaust place, but the welding was great. They did exactly what I asked, and they gave me their opinions on what I should do, and that was really helpful. They did such a good job, and there's no drone, barely, and on the highway it's great. You don't even notice it. It's quiet to the point where you can't really even hear the pops from inside the cabin when all the windows are up, which is really nice on those days where like you're just tired and you don't care about anything, you just want to go home, or you have a long trip. It's completely livable and it sounds amazing, and I cannot wait to get some of the outside shots because it's going to be really, really cool. So I will fast forward to then right now. Fast forwarding to the future.